What's up everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm talking about 100 Thieves, but before we get into that I just want to say thank you guys so much for the love on my past upload. It was cool to see some reactions and some views on that. It really makes me inspired to create more videos. So let's get right into this one. Most of you probably know 100 Thieves for their gaming content, but what I think is really unique about them is their clothing line, or their clothing apparel line. I think 100 Thieves apparel line is one of the most hyped up apparel lines in the gaming industry and in just exclusive clothes in general. Every single time 100 Thieves drops a new apparel line, it sells out immediately. So I was super hyped to get this open world drop. Most of the time when I buy exclusive clothes, I try to get sweatshirts, but this time I decided to get a long sleeve shirt so I could wear it year round. And I have to say, their drops do not miss. Every single one of their drops is super unique. This one in particular I think is the most unique, and which is why I was like, I need this for my collection. I need to be wearing this. I really think 100 Thieves is pushing the boundaries for what a company can do in apparel. I mean, they partnered with Gucci. 2012 me playing Modern Warfare 2 wouldn't even imagine hearing a gaming content creation team and the most recognizable clothing brand of all time doing a collab. That's just, it shouldn't be a thing, but it is, and it's super cool. But here's the $1 million question that we're all here to figure out. Is 100 Thieves apparel overrated, and is it worth it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this down into two categories. The swag, is it worth it to buy it? Does it look cool? And the quality, like, are you just spending a lot of money because it's 100 Thieves, or are you spending a lot of money because it's a good quality piece of clothes? So let's get right into the swag. Does this look good, and what to pair this with? My favorite thing about this is the color. The color looks amazing, and I think it's just because I don't have a lot of cream / tan clothes, and the blue and the gold really make this pop. I believe they released a black and white version of this, which was cool, but the tan to me was like, I need this because it's super unique. Overall, the swag of this I think is 10 out of 10. My favorite thing to wear with this shirt is either some dark navy pants or some black jeans, and you pair that with some simple white shoes, or, ooh, these shoes right here. Oh, fuck, there's not a lot of room here. Or these shoes right here, these Nike, I forget what these are called, but I won them on the sneakers app. Can we get a thumbs up for someone actually taking a W on the sneakers app? Yeah, these shoes right here go great because they match the blue. So white or blue shoes I think really make this shirt pop. I will say though that this is not a subtle piece. The back of it is very loud, the front of it is very subtle. So if you are comfortable with wearing something that's more loud, not as much low key, then I 100% think buying 100 Thieves clothes is for you, because a lot of their pieces are pretty loud. Now, where am I mostly wearing this shirt? I've had this shirt for about 2 weeks. I have not gone to the club. I've not gone out into the bar. I don't even know if I'd really wear this shirt out into the club or into the bar, just because it's not what I would be wearing. When I go out, I kind of want to look more subtle. This is more just like, it's a cool shirt to go get coffee in. It's a cool shirt to get some Instagram photos in. It's a cool shirt to just rep once a week to let everyone know that you like gaming, and it's just like a cool piece. Like I said before, 100 Thieves apparel always sells out, so the likelihood of you seeing somebody wearing the exact same thing as you is, it's just not gonna happen. I mean, maybe, but like, nah. So it's super cool when you get to wear something that not a lot of people see when they're out and about. It's not just like you're wearing a gray sweatshirt or a black sweatshirt. You're wearing something that's a little bit louder and a little bit more cooler than most people are wearing, which makes you feel good. So let's get into the quality side of this shirt. This shirt in total was $56, $48 for the actual shirt, $8 for shipping, gives you a total of $56. I like to tell you how much the shipping is because it just factors into whether or not you're gonna buy it. So is this a good quality shirt, or is it just a brand trying to get money from you? Well, it's pretty good. It's honestly pretty good. I never know what to expect when I buy exclusive clothing if it's not from like Kith or Supreme. I honestly just own some Kith, I own no Supreme. So like my journey into exclusive clothing is just like, it's there, but like I never know. I've washed this shirt 3 times, so it holds up through a couple of washes. You can definitely maybe tell that it's gonna start fading, but I think it's gonna start fading like after like you've had this for at least like a year or 2. Also, this long sleeve, it's not super heavy, but it's heavy enough that you can wear it in the winter, but light enough where you could rock this in the summer. And I mean, you're rocking a long sleeve in the summer, so you're gonna be warm, but it's doable. Also, you can tell that 100 Thieves takes their time and they really want to be putting out some great clothing. You can tell with just the detail. If I were to say, I don't think that this is screen printed. I think it's probably direct to garment, but it's probably one of the nicer direct to garments that I've seen. So with that being said, is 100 Thieves apparel overrated, and is it worth it? Yes, I really think it is. I would give this shirt a 10 out of 10 out of a ranking out of 10. This 100 Thieves open world, or just 100 Thieves apparel in general, is a 10 out of 10. If you guys see a piece that you like, I highly suggest trying to get it. I highly suggest setting a reminder on your phone and being like, oh, it drops at 11 o'clock. Let me make sure I'm hopping on there so I can buy it because it's gonna sell out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I just want to say before I sign off here, thank you guys so much for the love on my last upload. It's really inspiring me to create more content. So I'm going to continue to do that. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you know when I upload more content. I'm actually filming a vlog this week of me just filming behind the scenes of all the content that I create throughout the week. So if you guys are interested in that, that'll probably be in the next video that's up on the channel. But make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. It's YMBS_Chris. It's the same thing for Instagram. I'm sure they're up on the screen somewhere. And yeah, I hope you guys liked what you see. And I'll see you guys next time. I've been Chris. You've been beautiful. See ya.